आज नेट एकदमै डिस्टर्ब छ के मेरोमा। हेलो
सर, सुनिरहेछ सर।
सुनिराखेको छ। Present situation, the role of the psychology is important. Okay, we have come from the different social background, different cultural background, okay, and the different social structure. That social structure also important in this aspect, in social aspect. How to the person's cognition is developed. Cognition, how the person's cognition is developed. That cognition guide for the further any kinds of difficult situation. Okay, that kinds of process, that kinds of psychological process is very very important. Okay, that स्लाइडली अलिकति आज कस्तो नेटले डिस्टर्ब गरेर मलाई यहाँ सो नै भइरहेको छैन मेरोमा। आज तिमीहरूको क्लास त्यति राम्रोले चलेन है। यो क्लासलाई मैले रिपिटै गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ फेरि। This exciting subject, okay, because it deals with the human behavior. Otherwise, it deals with the human behavior. The science studies mental process which affect behavior of all living organisms. All living organism, any kinds of a living organism, the process of the psychology will continue. Okay, the mental process which affect human behavior, thinking, reasoning, feeling, desiring, intelligence, motives, emotions, etc. These are the human's feelings. Okay, otherwise these kinds of process, these kinds of mental process, okay, in deep rooted area. With the deep rooted area, sometimes emotions, sometimes types of motives, okay, any types of reasoning. There is no definite reasoning. Any types of reasoning will be affect. Okay, okay. this psychology has vast its scope as a numerous branches like normal and abnormal, educational, social, medical, clinical. There are many areas of psychology. Okay, for this area, how it play and how the mental display, how the psychology, these kinds of area, how relate to my mental process by the mental. Okay, mental. If there is a lots of materials, but the if mental could not identify, if mental could not rectify, if mental could not recognize that materials or that things could not work. The first of all, the recognition of the by the mental is necessary. Any types of either a disease, either a any kinds of social process, okay, either any kinds of structure like hospitals, okay, like education, okay, like other types of discipline. If the mental could not recognize, if the mental could not function well, or the if the mental go in another sides, it will hamper. Okay, that's why they for the study of the psychology or the study of the relationship of minds and other subjects like minds and body, minds and other other areas. Okay, it relates. If you are reading your book, if your mental dimension or your mental process goes another places, then you are reading, but that is not working. That is not functioning properly. Okay. Medical psychology deals with the patients suffering from the disorder of mind. Medical psychology. If the persons who are suffered by the any kinds of psychological disturbs, psychological disorder, it deals with the that kinds of patients. Okay. अहिले सुनिएको छ? हेलो
सर उता उता
Yes.
सुनिल पूर्वेको बात छैन रे सर।
कसले सुनेको छैन?
सुनिल पूर्वे रे सर।
पूर्वे को भन के सुनिएन?
म त सुनेको छु सर, यो युवराजले जे पाइदियो भनेर चाहिँ यतिकै।
युवराज, यो अलिकति मैले साइकोलोजी स्टडी गर्नुपर्छ है क्या?
सर यो
Okay, a knowledge of psychology is essential for the community physician to know himself and others, to differentiate between in normal and abnormal behavior, to help promoting mental health in individuals and families. It relates here the community physician, community nurse, community public health, okay, any kinds of subjects which relate to the persons need this psychology. It is essential for the medical person, for the doctors. It is must. It should be a must known area. Otherwise, they very difficult to diagnose the disease, to identify the persons, to understand the perception, to understand the perception of the person, or the person means patients. Okay, if the doctor could not perceive, if the doctor could not perceive the perception of the patients, his treatment, his prescription may not work. His prescription may not work. That's why the psychology is essential. बुझिन्छ? बुझिन्छ? हेलो बुझेको छ
सर तो लास्टमा हल्का डिस्टर्ब आयो सर के भएर होला हो कहाँ
डिस्टर्ब आएछ
आज एकदम डिस्टर्ब छ सर क्लासै
the concern of the psychology. Okay, the concern of the psychology, social psychology. This discipline is concerned with the psychology of individual living in the society. Its emphasis is given on understanding on the basis of perception, thought, opinion, attitudes, general motivation, and learning in individual and how these vary in human societies and groups. It deals with the effect of social environment on person, their attitude and motivation. Okay. Any kinds of thinking, any kinds of opinion, okay, any kinds of motivation, or any kinds of attitudes. Okay, this work in human mental process, humans mental process. Okay, the attitude is guided by the psychology. Attitude is always guided by the psychology. And when at what time, when attitude will form, it is totally psychological aspects. No one knows when the attitude will form, how it works, how it functions in human body. Okay, it is not seen, it is not measurable by any kinds of technical aspect, any kinds of lab. But these kinds of lab is human society, social phenomena. Okay, that social phenomena is the lab to identify the psychological process or identify the mental, recognize the mental process, recognize the mental functional way. Okay, these behaviors, these kinds of behaviors is seen in this social psychology. Okay, behavior science. It refers to action or reaction of an object or organism, usually in relation to the environment, whatever environments. Okay, whatever action and reaction at that time. I will say one thing, the behavior, the proper behavior is seen. Real behavior is seen when the person became more happy. At that time, his proper behavior is seen, or the person shows, or the person who is totally angry time. That time his proper behavior at that time you will show. मलाई थाहा छ एकदमै रिसाको बेलामा उसले कुनै पनि ढाँट्न नढाँटेको कुराहरू के गर्छ त्यतिखेर ओपन गर्छ हो एकदमै खुसी भएको बेलामा एक्साइटेड भएको बेलामा उसले जति लुकाउन खोजेको कुराहरू पनि त्यतिखेर ओपन हुन्छ उसको रियल बिहेभियर चाहिँ त्यतिखेर थाहा हुन्छ त्यसैले त्यो के भनेदेखि त्यो एकदमै खुसी भएको बेला पनि उसको मेन्टल्ली उ चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने फ्री हुन्छ त्यहाँ कन्ट्रोल उसलाई रियल थिङ चाहिँ उसले कन्ट्रोल गर्न सकिरहेको हुँदैन एकदमै रिसाको बेलामा पनि उसले गर्नु नहुने काम उसले आफूलाई गरेको कुरा लुकाएर राखेको कुरो ठ्याक्कै देखाइदिन्छ उसले मलाई थाहा छ नि एकदमै राम्रो आफ्नो घरमा पालेको कुकुरलाई एकदम रिसाएको बेलामा उसले त्यो चाहिँ मेरो मालिक भन्दैन उसको आफ्नो बिहेभियर उसले टोक दिन्छ उसले त्यो चाहिँ के भनेदेखि उसको रियल बिहेभियर चाहिँ के त उसले चाहिँ के अरे एट्याक गर्छ त्यस्तै के भनेदेखि एकदमै खुसी भएको बेलामा उसँग चाहिँ केही छ भनेदेखि कसैलाई दिनु पर्यो भने उसले सर्वस्व दिइदिन्छ केही पनि उसले मतलब गर्दैन किनभने उसको त्यो दिँदाखेरि केही he does not feel anything, any difficulties to provide that kinds of substances to others. That kinds of goods or anything. Okay, for that control, the psychology is needed. Where I am, we have to measure ourselves every time, every minute, where we are, how we are thinking, what we are doing, and why we are showing this behavior. Who are measuring this my behavior, my way? Who are recording my behavior? Whose mind is recording my mind? Who which work is contributing to others and which work is ruin to me? These things should be known by the person. That comes through any kinds of this or the surrounding environments. What kinds of environments we are, what kinds of friends we have, what kinds of society we have, and what kinds of circumstances it providing us. That if we could not understand the circumstances, that circumstances will not help us. Okay, to understand that kinds of circumstances is need for everybody. For the medical persons, it is compulsory to understand the circumstances. Okay, such as if the doctor is treating well from his internally, he has no any kinds of a doubt, no any kinds of a confusion, but the other patient's party will could not understand. They will blame different types of blames. Different types of they will create the different types of personality. Okay, and if the doctors is totally towards the patients, it is the patient party blame. Sometimes the behavior of the doctors will show you could not understand, we could not measure the circumstances at that time. The doctor should face the different kinds of social this kind of social problems, such as behavior of the doctors. Behavior of the one doctor behavior, one doctor behavior, it reflects the whole doctor families. Okay, that's why the behavior is for both side, patient and doctors. Okay, patient and doctors. Patient could not understand. You will be unconscious or and voluntary, okay, and involuntary behavior. There are multiple behaviors: covert behavior, voluntary behavior, involuntary behavior, conscious, unconscious behavior, unknown behavior. Okay, like unconscious behavior. Example: on bench, you are attending towards the class lecture. Okay, your ear is towards the voice of the teachers, and your legs is like bumping to this leg guards or a leg placing place. Okay, they are bumping. They are bumping legs. Sometimes they are doing other activities, but that person is not knowing. He is not knowing what he is doing. The second person or other person can observe what kinds of behavior is showing. Like talking to others, the person is some person will nail biting. Okay, he do not know what he is doing. Okay, and they sometimes yeah they are making their different types of they are making class without any hesitation. Okay, then they are keeping their hands at different places without any hesitation because they don't know what they are doing. That is called in unconscious mind. Their conscious mind is towards others, like attention to the lecture, are they showing and sometimes doing extra work. Okay, and the that is the work of by the unconscious mind. The terms behavior applied to the sociology, social anthropology, and social psychology. Okay, this behavior is applied to it different these disciplines. Okay, okay. How does it keeps the relationship? Okay, it keeps relationship with the economics and political sciences. Okay, it keeps relationship, but the proper relationship to the this sociology, psychology, and anthropology, and again this keeps the relationship with economics. Okay, economics means our gadgets. Okay, our any kinds of tools. Okay, any kinds of techniques. Okay, and it is, relates to the political science also, because political science law, it relates to the law, it relates to the legitimacy, relate to the governments, and that's why this it should need to relate to the political science also. Okay, economics, it has a very close relationship with the sociology, wherein this discipline, okay, where it disciplines emerged. Sociology comes in between of the economics activities, production, distribution, consumption, ownership of the uh, sources, resources, and services. Okay, if the service, why to psychology is related to the consumption, okay, ownership, and the resources and the resources, how they are utilizing the satisfaction of the persons need this production for the satisfaction. It creates the different types of ideology by the production. Who are getting, we are not getting. Okay, how much they are getting? Who will decide this one? The mental process. I am getting less. He is getting more. Okay, this if I will give one examples of the glass, half full and half empty. There is a 200 ml glass is there. There is a only 100 ml milk, and the one person see the half empty, and other person see the, okay, this half full. Okay, that things comes in this process that for the this area. That's why the production, consumption, ownership is related to the psychology. Okay, political science is the system of law, institution constitute to government of whole society, so that it is very related to the society. Okay, the world behavior has broad sense. It includes physical responses. Okay, it includes the physical responses. What types of responses is the physical responses? Habit and skills. Physical responses, habits and skills. When the habit is disorder, there are different types of uh, response will come to the body. When the skills, they are showing what different type of skills. Okay, that skill shows the aspect of the thinking. Okay, organic responses, feeling, emotion, and tension. We say that I am getting in tension. Oh, I am not feeling well. Oh, I am some emotions. And if somebody do the against of the any my thinking or against of the my choice, okay, that the emotions will work there. Okay, the intellectual responses, perception, thinking, and reasoning, and the see the what are the behaviors? What are the behaviors of broader sense? Physical responses. What are the physical responses? You can shoot response, habit, and skills. What are the organic responses? Feeling, emotion, and tension. Organic responses mean feeling, emotion, and tension. What are the intellectual responses? Perception, thinking, and reasoning. Okay. Okay, you are hearing. You got the knowledge.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Ah, बुझिराखेको छ
छ सर
कि मैले भने अनुसार चाहिँ क्यामेरा चाहिँ मतिर अन छ, काम चाहिँ अर्कैतिर भइरहेछ?
छैन सर।
छैन है, पक्का छैन नि?
छैन सर।
यो साइकोलोजी यस्तो सब्जेक्ट हो, तिमीहरूको पास गर्नको लागि मात्रै होइन। यो चाहिँ के भनेदेखि तिमीहरूको लङ लाइफ, तिमीहरूको जबसम्म तिमीहरूले चाहिँ के आफ्नो सर्भिस प्र्याक्टिस गर्छौ, जतिसम्म तिमीहरू सोसाइटीमा एक्जिस्ट गर्न सक्छौ, त्यतिखेरसम्म काम गर्ने चिज हो। यो मेडिकल साइन्समा मात्रै, मेडिकल प्र्याक्टिसमा मात्रै काम गर्ने चिज होइन। यो हरेक ठाउँमा हिँड्दा बोल्दा चाहिँ के अरे तिमीहरूलाई के भनेदेखि तिमीहरूको भेहिकल चढ्दा, गाडीमा चढ्दा, यो एभ्री टाइम यो काम लाग्ने चिज हो। त्यसैले योर बिहेभियर इट करेक्ट, समटाइम इट करेक्ट द बिहेभियर।
अब सरले अहिले हामीलाई यस्तो राम्ररी पढाइरहनु भएको छ, यस्तो बुझाएर यो पनि सरको एउटा राम्रो साइकोलोजी, सरले राम्रो हामी विद्यार्थीलाई कसरी पढाउनु पर्छ भन्ने कुरामा ख्याल गरेर सरले भनिरहनु छ। हो सर,
त्यो कति बुझ्छौ, कति बुझेका छौ, त्यो चाहिँ के भने तिमीहरू टोटल्ली इट इज योर डोमेन। ओके, मैले एक्सप्लेन गर्दिने हो। मैले तिमीहरूलाई जति एक्सप्लेन गरेको छु,
मलाई थाहा भयो अनुसार चाहिँ
मैले जति एक्सप्लेन गरेको छु, only 25%. If you perceive only 25%, that 25% will be 100% for you. जति मैले एक्सप्लेन गरेको छु in your level, that 25% is the 100% for you. If you perceive only 25%, that will be 100% for you. Okay?
Thank you, sir. We are very thankful to you, sir, for this response.
Okay, the factor affecting behavior and attitude. What types of factors affects the behavior and attitude? Okay, then we are, which sides we have? Stereotyping. Attention in particular things, particular place, or particular way. Okay, that is stereotyping. And the thinking in general. Okay, thinking in general, being the studium, being the studium is the generalization, general science. Playing the games in studium is the stereotyping. Okay, seeing being the observing the football match, okay, that is general. Okay, if you are knowing how the person is making goal and how is a speed, you are measuring speed, measuring is a way, measuring is a body expression, that is stereotyping. Okay, time, length of the time, how much people live, okay, duration, how much hour, what types of season, what types of the temperature, okay, okay, this is also the affecting the human behavior. Okay, there are groups, which types of groups they are residing. Okay, which types of group they are residing. What types of perception are in group, like ethnic groups, race, tribe. Which types of group we have. What types of languages we are using. Okay, where the places we are living, nation, sometimes it comes from the residing nations also. Okay, which age we are, which which age person we are dealing, okay, which age person we are making conversation, or which which kinds of age we are responding. Okay, the respondents age, okay, the desire to assimilate, how they are perceiving, what things you are delivering, and so what the person is assimilating. Okay, how the person is delivering, how you are assimilating. If you could not assimilate, आत्मीकरण गर्ने, आफूले लिने, गहन गर्ने तरिका, if you could not assimilate properly, the person's desire will not fulfill. Okay, if you perceive, okay, if you assimilate in the this uh, empathetically, if you assimilate it empathetically, that will work and the desire will be fulfilled of the person. Okay, their living condition, what kinds of living conditions of the persons, okay, where they are residing, city dwellers, okay, tribe, race, and the this migratory people, or they any disturbed area of what where they are sitting condition. Okay, and the some disease person, some healthy person, some stress person. It depends on how the types this affect the behavior and attitudes. Okay, where they are from, rural community, urban community, or they are very educational family. Okay, and they are achieve different types of poverty. Okay, the different types of this haves or haves not. What types of families they are coming? If they are from the haves family or haves not family, the desire of the haves means who are rich people. Haves means who are rich people. Haves not who are people, poor people. The desire of the haves and the desire of the haves not is a totally different. Who are struggling for the bread and butter. Okay, who are the struggling for the this luxurious goods. This is different. Okay, that thing should be understood. Okay, okay. These slides will be described in next. Okay. Today I will finish this lecture here, and your class will start 14 minutes later. Then you will this